Overhead water tanks are elevated structures designed to store and supply water by gravity. They are most commonly constructed as reinforced concrete structures or masonry structures depending upon the requirement. Hey friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Mastery. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the reason for the cracks which is developed in overhead RCC water tank as well as in the masonry water tank. What are all the repair techniques we can follow to avoid these cracks, and what are all the preventive measures we can take to avoid these kind of cracks in overhead water tanks. So without further delay, let's begin now. First reason is water pressure and structural movement. The variable water pressure inside the tank can cause structural movement leading to cracks in the walls and floors. Next one is poor construction practices. Inadequate treatment of joints and excessive porosity in the concrete can lead to leaks and cracks over time. Next reason is environmental factors. Exposure to severe environmental conditions such as extreme humidity and temperature can cause contraction and expansion of the concrete, which leads to cracks. Next one is corrosion and material deterioration. Corrosion of the steel reinforcement within the concrete can weaken the structure. It leads to leaks and distress. Also, the corrosion of reinforcement can cause the falling of concrete around the structure. Corrosion of steel reinforcement is less common in masonry overhead tank, but it can occur in metal components like pipe, leads to leaks and cracks. Next one is aging and maintenance. Over the time, the structures can deteriorate if not properly maintained, leading to cracks and other forms of distress. Before applying any repairing solutions, we have to follow the assessment process. First one is we have to drain the tank. The second one is we have to clean the affected area. In the first assessment process, we have to completely empty the tank to inspect the interior and exterior surfaces for cracks and damages. In the second process, we have to clean the dirt or loose material to ensure that the repair materials adhere properly in the affected areas. First repair method is cement based repair. We can use hydraulic cement or a cement based waterproofing product to fill the cracks. We can apply the mixture evenly and press it firmly into the gap. Nowadays there are many cement based repair materials are available in the market. As per your requirement, you can choose any one of those material and you can fill the cracks by using these cement based materials. Next one is epoxy injection. We can use this epoxy injection for deeper cracks. It is excellent for sealing and bonding cracks, providing a waterproof and strong seal. The last repair technique is using mesh reinforcement. For larger cracks or weaker areas, integrate fiberglass mesh or wire mesh into the repair material to enhance durability. So this fiberglass mesh or wire mesh we can use while plastering as a repair material to enhance the durability. Internal plastering can be done as an additional measure. We can apply a new layer of plaster if necessary to ensure a smooth surface. And we can apply a waterproofing coating to prevent future leaks. In addition to that, we can conduct a flood test after repair to verify that tank is leak free. Regular inspection can help in identifying the cracks early, reducing the risk of major repairs. Next, we can use the waterproofing compound during concrete production as another preventive measure to reduce the permeability. So by following all these steps, we can reduce the cracks in overhead tanks. So friends, I hope this video was useful to you. If you really like the content, hit the like button and also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.